Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, you can enjoy a beautiful design about crochet and easily get an idea for embroidery like richly decorated garments and ornaments in the form of wall hangings and tablecloths were commissioned to display power and wealth. Moreover, embroidery was important and in the medieval Islamic world because it was a sign of high social status in Muslim societies. It is a good skill. Hand embroidery is a manual and creative skill participated, preserved, and passed for centuries from one generation to another. So people were embroidering for ages. But why? Hand embroidery has excellent benefits for our mental health, wallet, and even the planet. So viewers, you can see different styles and enjoying. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.